In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Cursor AI to GitHub. This integration lets you link your GitHub repositories directly to Cursor, making your development workflow smoother and more efficient. First, open Cursor in your browser and sign into your account. On the dashboard, look for the Integration section. Click Connect next to GitHub to start the linking process. You'll be redirected to a GitHub authorization page. If you're not logged in, enter your GitHub username and password. You may also need to complete two-step verification if it's enabled. Once logged in, click Authorize to allow Cursor to access your repositories. This doesn't give it full control over your account, just the permissions needed to integrate smoothly with your projects. After authorizing, your GitHub account will be connected to Cursor AI, and you can start working with your repositories right inside the editor. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more Cursor AI tips and tutorials.